Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python effectively. First, let's get you set up. Begin by installing Python from its official website, which is a straightforward process taking only a few minutes. Then, open idle, Python's default environment, which is perfect for beginners. You'll want to spend about 30 minutes each day practicing basic commands and understanding how they work. This consistent effort will build a strong foundation for your coding journey. Now, let's dive into the core concepts. Focus on understanding variables, which store information, and different data types like numbers and text. Next, master control flow using if else statements for decisions and for or while loops for repetition. Functions are crucial for writing reusable code, so practice creating your own. Dedicate at least 1 hour to these concepts each week, ensuring you grasp how they interact within a program. The best way to solidify your learning is through hands-on projects. Begin with simple tasks, perhaps creating a basic calculator or a number guessing game. These projects help you apply what you've learned in a practical way. As you gain confidence, tackle slightly more complex challenges, like a simple text-based adventure game. Aim to complete one small project every 2 weeks. This practical application is key to truly understanding Python. Finally, remember that learning Python is a continuous journey. Explore online resources like official documentation and reputable coding websites for new concepts. Joining an online coding community can provide immense support and new ideas. Make it a habit to review your past projects, looking for ways to optimize your code. Spending 15 minutes daily on these activities will keep your skills sharp and your knowledge expanding, ensuring long-term success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.